welcome to everyone watching me right now. It's Vidhi. Today it's a big day. Hi, long time no see. I am very happy but to share that Heart Arts India has completed 6 whole months. We started on 5th of Jan 2025 and we have already completed 6 whole months. The months that have been in the past have been nothing less than learning, trial, error, being thank you to all of you, the gratitude that has come all the way, a lot of events that have taken place, workshops that we've been doing, and literally all of life has shifted from long format content to short format content which goes up on Instagram and everything, but really it takes an army to build something day by day by day by day, and it's actually everyone's collective effort and collective support that has got us here. My team, my parents, my family, my friends, and everyone who has supported me. Time just flew, and very happy to announce that we have already served 250 plus individuals via our workshops and events, and I hope this continues. And this is something that I wanted to share with you. I was contemplating whether I should still put this footage out or not, but I thought, you know what, this is the best time. We have a 6-month anniversary, let's release that, and we're doing exactly that. So this is for you to watch and enjoy our little memoir footage of how it all began. यार मैं बोलूँ क्या, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा.
It's big day, guys.
समझ नहीं आ रहा. Hello and welcome to everyone watching me right now. It's Vidhi. Today it's a big day. Apart from all the vlogs that you have seen on the channel, this one stands very special. This marks the beginning of something very special. Most of you might know that I have started an organization, a company which is known as Heart Arts India, which is focusing on art, education, and socio-emotional well-being of children and adults. We launched it on 5th of January, officially online, telling everybody about it, and we also had our first workshop with Ambedkar University, Delhi. But today, after 1.5, I think, एक महीना हो गया. Today is 16th of Feb. एक महीना plus 15 दिन, 1.5 महीने बाद हम अपना एक launch event solo independent कर रहे हैं. And हमने सोचा था कि हम अपनी registrations 20 तक रखेंगे, 20 लोगों को बुलाएंगे, but we have received 47 registrations and this is very overwhelming. हम बहुत खुश हैं. And it is all because you are supporting us, all my friends, my family, and friends ki mutuals, they are coming, and some unknowns that have joined us to the workshop. I'm just hoping that all goes well. This really feels like just a thought and my imagination of how I thought कि ऐसा करूँगी और कभी ऐसा होगा, वो आज हो रहा है. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ एंड थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आई एम वेरी हैप्पी से बढ़कर कोई वर्ड होता है, आई एम फीलिंग दैट टुडे. मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो हाउ कनेक्टेड आई एम टू आर्ट. मैं कुछ भी करती हूँ लाइफ में, अगर स्कूल में करती थी तो सीधा आर्ट रूम पहुँची हुई होती थी क्लास से निकलने के लिए, और बैचलर्स कॉलेज में होती थी तो आर्टिस्टों सोसाइटी में घुस जाती थी कुछ आर्ट करने के लिए. अब मास्टर्स में हूँ, मास्टर्स ख़त्म होने वाली है. Before this gets over, I want to put all of my degrees and qualifications into making something which promotes art through learning and education and also makes it fun and relaxing. This is like a dream day because what I want people to understand through art and connect through art will come live today. And I hope that everything goes well and we have the best event and people come again. We are going to Lodi Garden for our first weekend workshop and everything is set. The papers are the bags are printed, the standee is done, the food boxes are done, the goodie bags are going to be prepared, and I'll show you everything, what goes behind and what goes on at the workshop when it is live. So let's go. Can you say hi? मतलब हम मम्मी को तैयार कर रहे हैं क्योंकि बचपन में मम्मी हमारा एनुअल डे का मेकअप करती थी और अब हम मम्मी का मेकअप करते हैं। बात अलग है कि आप हमें जोकर बना देते हम आपको प्यारा बनाएंगे। चलो हार्ट आर्ट इंडिया का लॉन्च डे आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड प्राउड।
अच्छा पूछिए कैमरे में ऋषिका आई हुई है मेरी हेल्प करने के लिए एंड शी इज होल्डिंग सिस्टर कप सिस्टर हुड ब्रो। मेरी माता तैयार हो गई है, पापा तो पता नहीं 10 घंटे पहले तैयार होकर बैठे हुए हैं। चलो 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 बस हम निकलने वाले हैं। We are almost about to reach। फिर हम निकालेंगे सारा सामान। मैंने पहने हुए पजामे और पजामे के नीचे मैंने पहने हुए अपनी वाइट पैंट ताकि मैं सामान निकालूँ उसके बाद मैं पजामा निकालूँ। ये तो सो गई थी यार आराम से। We have reached। ये रहा हमारा सारा सामान। चलो उधर करना है। पीछे भंडारा चल रहा है, यहाँ बैग्स बन रहे हैं, चादर लग रही है, ऐसे सी में करेंगे। फूल पत्तियाँ, हमारे पास हर वैरायटी की चादर है, सब घर से लाए हैं। मैंने पहन ली कैप, एकदम मैं इंस्ट्रक्टर फैसिलिटेटर लग रही हूँ। बैग्स हो गए सेट, टीम हो गई है सोने के लिए तैयार क्योंकि लोगों को आने में टाइम है अभी, तो जब तक हम नैप चल रहा है। कुशाग्र आ गया है, क्रिस्टीना आ गई है, से हाय क्रिस्टीना आ गई है।
लेबर कंटिन्यू रहता है
या तेरे मेरी में नहीं।
Listening power of your partner will be tested. So make sure that you know your partner well. Okay?
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the
I did not get time to breathe because we have people right now and Sham uncle आए हैं। Sham uncle हाय बोलो। Sham uncle अपनी vlogging कर रहे हैं। I'll show everyone to you। वो बैठेंगे और आपको बताएंगे कि इसको डिजाइन ऐसे बनाते हैं। So please go in between, interact with him and take his product because we believe in promoting people who promote art like that.
split
So thank you.
personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Want you to decide
And
the
then I
options
shine
that you
a
want to
story
decide.
called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to
For me, I'm not a big
plot
artist,
twist,
but this was
please?
like reliving my childhood memories. So yeah, thank you so much. It was amazing. This whole experience was really good.
Hi, I'm Nihalka and I came to Hearts Art in your workshop and it was amazing. Coming from a person who does not know how to paint, I painted this cute little pot and I had really good time.
Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy. Everything's peachy. Split personality.
Hello everyone. So today I enjoyed this great workshop from Heart Art India and I made this beautiful pot and I will put all the grateful things, the things which I am grateful for in this Gullak. And at the at the end of the year, I will see what all things are loved by me, and I am grateful too. And I also encouraged my grandmother to come here and enjoy with all of us. Younger brother, he's Anvil.
लगा और अपने बच्चों के साथ मैंने बहुत एंजॉय किया। मैंने एक ट्री बनाए हैं क्योंकि मैं इन्हीं से ज्यादा प्यार करती हूँ।
Hello. It was amazing x 100 times. It was fabulous. The energy was amazing. Everyone who came here just left with a warm wish, a blessing that I could feel. They were all so supportive. The moment that we said that it is our launch event and you're a part of one, they were all so happy. They left with good smiles and they gave us really good reviews. I'm really, really happy to serve everybody. Our team was fabulous and the day went amazing. I just want everyone to come next time too. If you're watching and you came for this workshop, I want you to come next time again. And all of you do come for our next workshop. I'm extremely happy. Thank you. All the clips will be added. You will get to see everything. And for more details, please follow us on the Instagram that I have mentioned here.
In the good old days, remembering to forget all the
Are you having fun?
I remember
What are you having? I'm fun.
Yeah, definitely I'm having lots of fun.
And
Painting is best right now.
what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I like to do what I love.
I hope you liked this vlog. This is maybe like a memoir of what you're watching right now. But I would really insist you all to please follow us on Heart Arts India's Instagram page, because that's where we post all the things, all the upcoming events and all the workshops that are there. We're also open to collaboration and everything. And thank you so much for all the love and support. I really am grateful as always, and I hope that we continue. And until then, bye.